Hello KaFam! Welcome to our channel. Isang araw, isang pahina ng aming buhay. Join us as we start the school year in a different way, in a different time. The mode of learning has changed, but we still want to practice how it feels to go to school every weekdays, like what we all used to do through the years. We have to let go June back to school feels and embrace the anytime back to school feels. And we are now officially starting our online learning school year 2020 to 2021. It is Claire's second year at Inner Genius Montessori School, Iloilo, and this is her first day of school as a Kinder 2 learner under Online Learning Program 2020. Look who's excited!
Today's first day of school! Yay! I'm so excited to school, KaFam! Last scene, Miss Pink kami sa bagong teacher. And upstairs, let's go!
As we always emphasize, maintain your usual school routine to have a learning energy that will prevent you to lose motivation and be lazy. Remember, create a learning space that is different from your eating, entertaining, and sleeping spaces.
Hi!
Morning!
Morning!
We are all set, and it is always a good way to start learning time with a prayer. Then, a short talk to develop socialization is up after checking the attendance.
Listen!
How are you?
How are you?
We're good too. See you tomorrow again, Claire.
Thank you.
Now let the proper class begin. One thing that I realized about online learning is how important the role of parents during the lesson time, especially for young children and those that are not computer literate. Just like a teacher inside the classroom, parents will now have to be there to answer questions, guide the child, and making sure that everything is done appropriately. But always remember to give your child independency on how to follow the instructions and finishing their activities. In this way, learners will be more confident as they develop the sense of independence, and for sure, children will be more proud of their work in the end. And don't forget to give their stamps as a reward for a job well done, especially when you have little learners at home. As one of our favorite part of a school day, have a break time too. Our research says that you need at least 17 minutes break for every 52 minutes of work done. It is a good time to reconnect with your child and refresh minds. And when your child dances, dance along too. Even short exercises show that it helps the brain to work better and enhance concentration after. After all, no one is watching anyways. Schools are providing lesson flow and materials needed for everyday class time that makes it easier to manage tasks and time. So, learners and parents, when you get the lesson flow, have time to read and prepare everything you need for the day.
Isang, KaFam. Let's go next.
For Claire's first day of school, the focus is language both in English and Filipino, and we are working out on it that she will be able to follow and be good at it in time. Well, I think online learning can be successful if both efforts between the teachers, parents, and learners will collide. We believe that everyone is capable to teach and learn in many ways. Thus, this first day of school is the first step of more discoveries, improvements, and learning not just for the young ones but for all of us. Tell KaFam, how was your first day of online learning 2020?
Because I like 2020 damo. Because 2, 0, 2, 0. That's
good.
Yeah, because I learn on the school. Because is Miss Saba lang ako teacher, Miss Pinga lang akong teacher.
Okay, Claire, did you enjoy the online learning?
Yeah, I writing and dance and singing and everything I love. I went back to school again. Hooray!
Tomorrow you're going to have school again.
Yeah, I love school.
Okay.
How about you guys? Share your learning 2020. Thank you for watching video. Click the bell button. Don't forget, watch my videos. Bye.